What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reeves, love of course, coming at you once again. So today we are going to get started on a project for the Foxbody Mustang. I think it's time for paint, so we're going to get started. We, as in me, going to get started trying to sand this car down. I got a corner sander. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're going to see. This is the sander right here. It's a nice little corner sander. We're going to use that. And I just ordered some more pads. I got like 80 through 120, some shit like that. We're going to start with the 120 grit and go from there. Now, I haven't really decided if I'm going to be doing paint or plastic dip, but either way it go, I need to get this sanded down because the paint is horrible. Get that peeling clear coat off so I can get a good surface for whatever I'm going to do to mate with it. It's hot out here today. I don't know how much I'm going to get done. Probably not that much, but we're going to get it started. I just kind of want to see what it's going to look like once I start it. So anyway, let's get started with that. So I got these whack pads. I don't know if you can see them. I got these off of Amazon. So we're fixing to see how well they work. And again, this is the 120 grain grit sandpaper. I'm going to start with that first. So anyway, guys, I just want to do a little quick video with y'all real quick to show you what I'm doing, what my next project is, which probably one of the most time consuming ones I've done, but we're gonna get it done. It's no turning back, man. I've already started fucking up the paint worse than what it was. So maybe we can get it painted next weekend. I don't know, we'll see. And I'm not gonna even tell y'all what color I'm gonna paint it. I'm just gonna let you find out for yourself. But anyway, and I'm doing it all by myself. Well, my brother may come and help, just depends on when I decide to do it, but meaning that I'm not taking it to no shop. I'm gonna paint it myself. Never painted a car before, but we're gonna do this one. Paint was already bad the way I see it. It can't be no worse. But anyway, this your boy Jay Reeves, love of course. See you when I see you. Peace. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. As you can see, at this point, there ain't no turning back. I got a lot of sanding to do, but we're gonna get it done. I ain't got nothing else to do. Probably come out a little bit later and do some more, because it's hot as hell out here now.